Looking for something comfortable, healthy, and packed with flavor? This spinach stew is warm, creamy, and perfect for lunch or dinner. And if today is your first time of coming across this video or this channel, you are welcome. So let's cook together. I will be using the following ingredients: tomatoes. I have white and yellow onions and fresh pepper. I have turkey grilled already, spinach, which is the center of the cooking today. Then I have dry prawns and some dry fish as well, aka in beverage. So guys, if you don't have all these ingredients, you can still go ahead to make your delicious and comfortable spinach stew sauce. So if today is your first time of coming across this video or this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So in a clean pot, I'll just go ahead to pour in some vegetable oil. Allow that to hold for some minutes, and then I'll go ahead to add in the white and purple onions, and then I will go ahead to stir this up and allow that to cook for few minutes. After that, I will go ahead to add in some fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you can tolerate. Then I will be adding garlic powder. I'll also go ahead to add in some curry powder. We are building up some flavor here. Then I will stir everything up. After stirring, the next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead to add in some dry prawns, which I've washed with hot water and salt already. The next thing I'll be adding is to go ahead to add in the chopped tomatoes. I'm using fresh tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. And then I'll give everything a good stir. If you are watched up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. Now I'll cover this to cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat, and then I'll open up the pan. I'll be adding the grilled turkey and the dry fish, aka in Bavaria. Please let me know in the comment section what is called in your own language or dialect. Now I'll give everything a good stir and then cover it up again for a few minutes and open it up. Now I'll go ahead to add in some seasoning. I'll be using Maggi, and then I'll also go ahead to add in some salt for taste. I'll add blended crayfish as well. That take it to another level. Then I will go ahead to add in the spinach, which I went ahead to chop for a few minutes and cover this to cook for a few minutes and open up the pan, and then I will stir everything all together. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are watched up to this point, please subscribe, like, and share. So I went ahead to cover it. Now I opened up the pan. Guys, this is what we have. Our spinach is ready. So easy to put together. I paired mine with some cooked rice. You can use it, you can eat yours with yam, plantain, whatever you want to use yours to eat. You can go ahead to use anything of your choice. Guys, this was so delicious, and this is so healthy. If you're looking for a healthy sauce, this is another one for you to try. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Go ahead to subscribe and like. Bye.